Hey, lights are on, lights are on, lights are on, lights are on, lights are on. He's taking off, he's taking off.
He's off.
Close the door, close the door, close the door.
Where's that?
Shit, hit the sticks. Hold on, Alan.
I was very close to it.
Come out yet?
If they want it, kind of head down towards
I see it, I see it, I got it, I got it.
Head towards back. Head towards back.
He's looking, dude. He's going through the light. Left, left, left. Left, left, left.
Hey, that left, all that back, towards left,
Coming up on South Gilmore. This thing's slow, dude. Move. He's up, he's through the light, he's a TC! He crashed.
Just crashed, stop billboard. Back,
He's still going through. Someone's down. Wait, he's running! Let's go, huh? Let's go. You better get down! You better get down!
Closing description, sir.
You better get down, dude!
One block, please. He's heading back towards South Gilmore.
Get down! Get down! Get down!
Towards South Gilmore.
Get on the ground now! Now!
Hey, I'm with you.
Get on the ground!
Sure, I'm with you. I got it. Is he northwest or southwest of the intersection?
Get on the ground!
Just run it right to the front there. Hey, keep it up. First one, make sure you're rolling back. Be in custody. Federal location, sir, we can help. So, we are going to be on Gilmore, just south of Mac. Is that the American app? If he is hands off, I will secure 5 minutes.